by the bedside of a little girl. I could tell her life was fastly fading away. She looked at me and then began to say the words I'll never forget my longest day. Will the angels sing for me up in heaven? Or will they sing the prettiest song I like to hear? Or will there be any sickness in glory? And will the angels sing for me when I get there? I told her that I believed they would sing for her the prettiest song she had ever heard. And David would play upon his golden harp, and no sickness would ever touch her anymore. Will the angels sing for me up in heaven? Will they sing the prettiest song I like to hear? Will there be any sickness in glory? And will the angels sing for me when I get there? Just to know him in the pardon of your sin, just to know him in the love that he will give. I'm so proud that I'm acquainted with this man. I'm so proud that I know him and the love he gives. A man of sorrow, acquainted with grief, as a lamb before the shear, he opened not his mouth. He took on himself the form of a man and became our servant, that he may redeem us from our sin and our fallen state. Jesus, Jesus is the name I will proclaim. As long as there's breath in me, I'll preach his holy name. The sound of his wondrous name means all the world to me. Jesus, Jesus is my master and king. Jesus, Jesus is my master and king. Well, the day the sun, the day the moon obeys the voice of a man. You read in the Bible how that old Joshua prayed to God on that day. His right hand toward the sun and his left hand toward the moon. He prayed to God, please don't let the moon stay right where you are until I've won this war. Today the sun and the moon stood still. Yesterday the sun and the moon stood still. Oh, when God answered prayer of one lone man. Yes, he did, I believe he did. I surely believe he did. The day the sun and the moon stood still. Yesterday the sun and the moon stood still. Yesterday the sun and the moon stood still when God answered prayer of one lone man. Yes, he did, I believe he did. I surely believe he did. The day the sun and the moon stood still. After a while, all things as we know them today will be gone. Yes, they will be gone. The things that bothered us through life's long road, they'll be gone. Yes, they will be gone after a while. Yes, after a while, the last mountain to climb now is in view. We'll meet Jesus on the other side. After a while, yes, after a while, after a while, we'll study war no more. Men will be brothers again. They will be their weapons into pruning hood, and the war clouds will forever fly away, and peace will cover the earth like the waters cover the sea. This will be after a while. Yes, peace will cover the earth like the waters cover the sea. This will be after a while. After a while. Yes, after a while. The last mountain to climb now is in view. We'll meet Yes, after one